Welcome to All About Home Decor, where we bring you the best tips and tricks for transforming your home into a stylish sanctuary. Today, we're diving into some fresh and fabulous home decor ideas that will breathe new life into your living spaces. Refresh your walls. One of the most transformative yet simple ways to refresh your home is by giving your walls a new look. Walls are the backdrop of any room, and changing their appearance can significantly alter the ambience of your space. There are several ways to refresh your walls, from paint to wallpaper, each offering a unique aesthetic. Painting your walls is perhaps the most straightforward and cost-effective method. A bold accent wall with a splash of vibrant color can create a focal point and add energy to a room. Colors like deep navy, emerald green, or rich burgundy can make a striking impact. On the other hand, soft neutral tones such as beige, light gray, or soft white can create a calming and sophisticated atmosphere, perfect for creating a serene environment. Wallpaper is another excellent option for adding personality to your walls. With a vast array of patterns, textures, and colors available, you can choose a design that reflects your style. Floral patterns, geometric designs, and even textured wallpapers like grasscloth can add depth and interest to your walls. Wallpaper can be used on all walls for a dramatic effect or just on one wall as an accent. Wall art and decor. If you're not ready to commit to paint or wallpaper, consider wall art and decor. Large-scale artworks, gallery walls, and decorative wall hangings can transform a blank wall into a statement piece. Mix and match different sizes and styles to create a curated look that showcases your personality and taste. Refreshing your walls is an opportunity to express your creativity and set the tone for your entire home. Whether you opt for a bold new color, a stunning wallpaper, or unique wall decor, updating your walls is a powerful way to breathe new life into your living spaces. Statement pieces. Incorporating statement pieces into your home decor is an effective way to add character and individuality to your space. These pieces serve as focal points, drawing the eye and sparking conversation. They can range from unique artwork to striking furniture and everything in between. Unique artwork, a large, captivating piece of art, can serve as the centerpiece of a room. Whether it's an abstract painting, a colorful print, or a sculpture, art has the power to transform a space. Choose pieces that resonate with you personally and reflect your style. Striking light fixtures. Lighting is essential in any home, but statement light fixtures can elevate your decor to the next level. Consider a chandelier with a modern twist, a vintage pendant light, or a sleek floor lamp. These fixtures not only provide illumination but also serve as design elements that enhance the overall aesthetic. Antique furniture. Incorporating antique furniture adds a touch of history and timeless elegance to your home. Whether it's a vintage armchair, a rustic wooden table, or an ornate mirror, antique pieces bring a unique charm that modern furniture often lacks. Bold patterns and colors. Don't be afraid to incorporate bold patterns and colors into your decor. A vibrant rug, a patterned sofa, or colorful cushions can instantly add life and energy to a room. Mixing and matching patterns and colors can create a dynamic and visually interesting space. Sculptural elements. Sculptural furniture and decor pieces can add an artistic element to your home. Think of items like a curvy sofa, a geometric coffee table, or a decorative vase. These pieces can add dimension and a contemporary touch to your decor. Statement pieces are all about showcasing your personality and making your home uniquely yours. By carefully selecting and incorporating these items, you can create a space that is not only stylish but also reflective of who you are. Greenery. Bringing the outdoors in with indoor plants is a wonderful way to enhance your home decor while also promoting a healthier living environment. Plants add a touch of nature, improve air quality, and create a sense of tranquility. There are countless ways to incorporate greenery into your home, from small potted plants to large statement greenery. Indoor plants: choose plants that thrive indoors and match your decor style. Popular choices include the fiddle leaf fig, snake plant, monstera, and pothose. These plants are not only beautiful but also relatively easy to care for. Place them in decorative pots that complement your interior design. Vertical gardens: if you're short on floor space, consider creating a vertical garden. Wall-mounted planters or hanging pots can add greenery to your walls without taking up valuable space. This is a great option for kitchens, bathrooms, or small living areas. Terrariums: terrariums are small glass containers that house miniature plants. They come in various shapes and sizes and can be placed on tables, shelves, or countertops. Terrariums are low maintenance and add a unique, whimsical touch to your decor. Succulents and cacti: for those who prefer low-maintenance plants, succulents and cacti are ideal. They come in various shapes and sizes and require minimal watering. Arrange them in a decorative tray or pot to create a stunning display. Herb gardens: an indoor herb garden is both practical and decorative. Herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary not only add greenery to your kitchen but also provide fresh ingredients for cooking. Use stylish pots or a tiered plant stand to keep your herbs organized and accessible. Greenery can transform your home into a peaceful oasis. By choosing the right plants and incorporating them into your decor, you can enjoy the benefits of nature indoors and create a more inviting and refreshing living space. Cozy textiles. Adding cozy textiles to your home is an effective way to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Textiles such as throw blankets, pillows, and rugs not only add comfort but also introduce texture, color, and pattern to your decor. Throw blankets: drape plush throw blankets over sofas, chairs, or the foot of your bed to add a layer of warmth and comfort. Choose blankets made of soft materials like wool, cashmere, or fleece. You can also switch them out seasonally, opting for heavier blankets in the winter and lighter ones in the summer. Pillows: decorative pillows are an easy way to update your decor. Mix and match different sizes, shapes, and patterns to create a cozy and stylish look. For a cohesive design, choose pillows that complement the color scheme and style of your room. Rugs: area rugs can anchor a room and define spaces within an open floor plan. They add warmth to hard flooring and provide a soft surface underfoot. Choose rugs that match your decor style, whether it's a plush shag rug, a patterned Persian rug, or a sleek modern design. Curtains and drapes. Curtains and drapes not only provide privacy and light control but also add a touch of elegance to your decor. Choose fabrics that complement your color scheme and style. Heavier drapes can add warmth and a sense of luxury, while lighter, airy curtains can create a fresh and breezy feel. Bedding: update your bedding with soft, high-quality sheets, comforters, and duvets. Layering different textures and patterns can create a cozy and inviting bed. Consider adding decorative pillows and a throw blanket to complete the look. Seasonal textiles: keep your home feeling fresh and cozy year-round by swapping out textiles seasonally. In the colder months, opt for heavier fabrics like velvet and wool. In the warmer months, switch to lighter fabrics like linen and cotton. Cozy textiles are all about creating a comfortable and inviting environment. By incorporating these elements into your decor, you can enhance the warmth and coziness of your home, making it a place where you and your guests will love to spend time. Multifunctional furniture. Maximizing space with multifunctional furniture is essential, especially in smaller homes or apartments. These pieces are designed to be versatile, offering multiple uses without sacrificing style. Here are some popular multifunctional furniture ideas that can help you make the most of your space. Storage ottomans. Storage ottomans are incredibly versatile. They can serve as extra seating, a footrest, or a coffee table, all while providing hidden storage. Use them to store blankets, pillows, or other items that you want to keep out of sight but easily accessible. Extendable dining tables. An extendable dining table is perfect for those who love to entertain but have limited space. These tables can be expanded when you have guests over and then compacted when not in use, allowing you to save valuable floor space. Sofa beds. A sofa bed is an excellent option for homes without a dedicated guest room. It functions as a comfortable sofa during the day and easily converts into a bed at night. This is ideal for accommodating overnight guests without needing an extra bedroom. Fold-down desks. If you need a workspace but don't have a lot of room, consider a fold-down desk. These desks can be mounted on the wall and folded away when not in use, freeing up floor space. They are perfect for creating a home office in small spaces. Nesting tables. Nesting tables are a stylish and practical addition to any living room. They come in sets of 2 or 3 tables that can be stacked together to save space or separated for additional surface area when needed. Convertible furniture. Look for furniture pieces that can be easily converted to serve different functions. For example, a coffee table that can be raised to dining table height or a bookshelf that can be transformed into a desk. These pieces offer flexibility and adaptability in your home. Underbed storage. Utilize the space under your bed for storage. There are many options available, from storage bins to drawers that can be easily slid in and out. This is a great way to store out-of-season clothing, shoes, or other items without cluttering your living space. Multifunctional furniture allows you to make the most of your available space while maintaining a stylish and functional home. By choosing pieces that offer multiple uses, you can Thanks for tuning in to our home decor ideas. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and inspiration. Happy decorating!